Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to draw shapes like circles or rectangles in Adobe Premiere. Begin by heading over to the graphics panel. To add a shape, click and hold on the pen tool to select either a rectangle or an ellipse. Now, on the video preview window, drag your shape out to the desired size. Keep in mind, you can hold down Shift while you drag to keep the shape uniform. You've now created a new graphics layer for your shape on the timeline. To make your shape an outline only with no fill, go to the Essential Graphics panel on your right and under where it says Appearance, uncheck Filled and check Stroke. You can change the color of your stroke by clicking the color box next to it. And increase the size of the stroke by dragging the number next to the eyedropper. Furthermore, you can add additional strokes by clicking the plus button. Now, if you prefer, you can also add shapes from the Editing tab as well. But first be sure to click anywhere on the timeline, which will deselect any existing graphics and allow your new graphic to be created on a separate graphic layer. Should you want to adjust the colors, fill, and stroke properties, simply click on the graphic you wish to adjust, then go up to Effect Controls. And under Appearance, adjust what you desire. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.